This is the company email that we want to set up the Webmail onto the Android phone. So as you can see, we have the Webmail of Prixim.com, which is a place I work, and I'm logging into my email service on the website of the company. And so now I log in and I do a few things here. Look at what I do, follow the mouse. So first thing is to just use Quail Mail to enter into your mail. You can auto activate it by using the auto enabler. Now I'm in my mail and I quickly want to send a mail. So what I do is to go to compose and type my email to myself, because I'm doing this tutorial so that we see. So I'll send an email to myself, so solomon@prixim.com, and what I do is create a subject like every other mail and go ahead and get my message across and just forward it and send it to myself. Now the reason why we are doing this is for you to see how to first use your webmail service on your company's website or organizational website if you have one, and then how to now take it from the computer onto your phone and carry your email service with you everywhere for official purpose. So now I send, and it loads and sends, and immediately I know it's gone, so I have a copy of it now. Now I want this to appear on my phone.
So this is my
so
phone.
Now this is my phone, and it's a Windows phone. This is me on Monday, May 18th. So I just scroll up to my settings. You can see settings, then you scroll down and you go to your email and accounts. And when you come to email and accounts, you just choose add an account. You see several default accounts for companies such as Yahoo, for Google, for iCloud, for IBM, for Microsoft Outlook. So just do add an account, a POP or IMAP account. Then I type solomon@prixim.com as my username. Then I enter the password for it as well, and I log in. Initially what happens is it wouldn't connect. You have to configure it, and this is what the whole video tutorial is about, how to configure it. So I enter my password, just the default that I use for this video, which has already been changed. So I enter the password and I log in. It loads and it tells me it couldn't connect. I try it for the second time. Now it brings a tab called advanced. This is where I do my configuration. So here you just create an official name for which you want the mail to send. So I type Solomon Botre and set the name that should appear whenever I send a mail from my phone. So I can use my phone for official corporate organizational work without necessarily going to sit behind my computer to use the website and official company email. So now you use your incoming server as mail.priximconsult.com. It's just mail.thewebsite.com, that's all. So if it's www.mycompany.com, it's going to be mail.mycompany.com, and the outgoing server too is the same, mail.mycompany.com, and you set up the incoming server and the outgoing server. Then that is it for the two things. Then you make sure you go to advanced. We don't necessarily need to do anything here. Then all we've got to do is to activate it now. Now it's syncing, so the email service isn't fully activated. It's syncing, trying to connect with the server, and now it is online and live. So now Prixim Consult website mail has been added to my phone, and this is the configuration settings, and I come back to my home screen, and immediately the message that I sent from our website on the computer shows up on the phone as well, and I can open it and read it. So this is solomon@prism.com, sending to solomon@prism.com. So it says congratulations if you see this on your phone, and we are done for setting up the phone. And that is it for setting up a company mail, organizational mail, corporate website mail on your Windows phone. So you can go down and search through your apps, and whatever name starts, you can see it. If your so mine is Prixim, so I go to P and there it is, Prixim.com. As you can see, I want to pin it to the start bar, but it's already there. So I come to the start bar, scroll down, and I have the mail symbol with Prixim.com. So anytime I get a mail, it's going to indicate 1, 2, 3, and that's it. So that is for the tutorial on setting up a webmail on your phone and getting your official email on your Windows phone so that you can use it for official purpose everywhere on the go. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial.